back to Doyle's Garage. Today, I got a special treat for you. I got hooked up with a buddy of mine who introduced me to another buddy who was able to get me a set of keys. These are not the original keys. This is a replacement set. I was able to pop the door lock off of this. The C1 Corvette, early years, all used the same key that opens not just this, but it also opens the ignition. Let's go take a look. I'm so smooth, like I practiced this 100 times. Let's see. No battery on the car. But to the new owner, you will get a set of keys for this car. Sorry, I'm a little out of focus. You will get a set of keys to go with this. Please take care of this car. Do something fun with it. I'm never gonna get the chance, and my parents are not going to either. So, I gotta put this door lock back in and get a set of keys for a new owner. So the inside of the door essentially has the door lock, which is here, and it has a little connecting frame. It's kind of hard to show you, but this little frame here that connects over to hold it in place. Little bar operates the lever. I can't do both, so I'm gonna put it together and then I'll take a picture when it's done. Gotta film this quick as my neighbor decided to get his leaf blower out again. All right, so got the lock installed. As you can see, you can turn the key, operate the locking mechanism. It needs a little, there we go. It needs a little WD-40, but that's it. And again, I'll put the link to this dude if you're out in the San Fernando Valley. Need a key cut for an old car, does everything, but I decided to get this done for the ignition and the key for the doors. So owner will get a set of keys whether you use them or not. It doesn't help the trunk problem, but you can get a lock and cut its key to match. You can. Ever since I was a little boy, this never had a lock. I don't know why. So that said, today is photo day. That's right. Today I got my buddy Dennis coming over. He's gonna take photographs of this car because we're gonna get it up for sale soon. So stay tuned and be sure to watch. Thanks.
Do we need to have this dolly here?
No?
Can we remove it?
Yeah.